This is just a quick test of the sensitivity of the Sony A7S or Alpha 7S. I have noticed some of this purple noise, and I totally accept that at these high ISO settings. What I find disturbing though is I'm trying to ramp up the ISO here. This is totally darkness. Look at the I find this is ISO 256,000. I found it very disturbing that the bottom left and top left corners are very purple, and in the top middle I would say there's also some noise. Now this is a test of just this phenomena. I've heard that multiple units have it, maybe all units have it. I don't mind that it has the purple noise, but I mind that it's uneven. I find it disturbing. You don't see it when you expose it correctly, just a little. Look at the sky right now. You don't really see it. But when it's dark like here, when I'm standing here, you can clearly see it. This is ISO 409,600. I don't find this usable, but the noise is even more noticeable here. And again, I don't mind it being all over the place, but I mind the fact that it's very uneven. Now I could do this with the lens cap on and it would be the same result. It has nothing to do with any adapters or lenses. It's 100% the sensor. Yeah. Let me know if yours also has it. I think it's something we have to take up with Sony. I don't really find this accepting. Yeah. Well, see you guys.